Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lovely Jen, and today I want to talk to you about a crucial aspect of success: time management. Guys, we all have the same 24 hours in a day, and how we used to choose the time, it makes the difference in our life. So, the first step is effective time management is setting clear goal. Define what you want to achieve and create a roadmap to get there. Break down all your big tasks into smaller, manageable tasks. So, this will help you to stay focused and motivated. Second is prioritize your task. Understand what is urgent and what is important. Not everything required your immediate attention. So, prioritize your task. Third is create a to-do list and stick to it. When you create your to-do list before night, then you save your maximum time. So develop your routine. Fourth is learn to say no. Understand that your time is valuable and you cannot please to everyone. So be selective of your commitments that you take on. And last one is eliminate time thieves in your life, such as scrolling so much such as scrolling so much on social media and watching endless hours in on of a television. So eliminate those things that drain your time. Remember, uh, time is finite, and once it goes forever. Every minute wasted is an opportunity waste. So makes each moment countable. Be disciplined, be focused, and makes conscious choices about how you spend your time. In the end, effective time management is not about doing so much. It's about doing the right things. So, my friend, let us value the time we have been given, and use it wisely. Let us seize the day and make our dreams a reality. So, start today, start now, and unlock the full potential of your time. Thank you so much. If you like my video, then please like and subscribe to my channel.